Tonight, 19 people have now died with the coronavirus in Rhode Island, marking the state's largest one-day increase. The patients ranging in age from their 30s to their 90s. The virus continuing to wreak havoc on congregate care settings like nursing homes. Health Department Director Dr. Nicole Alexander Scott says 10 of the people who died today were nursing home residents. In all, there have now been 137 COVID-19 related deaths in the Ocean State. The Health Department also announcing more than 300 new cases, bringing the state's cumulative total to nearly 4,500. Governor Gina Raimondo expects the state to hit its peak at the end of this month or early in May. And today the governor says she does not currently expect to extend the stay-at-home order past May 8th, but she says that could change. Eyewitness News reporter Anita Buffoni joins us now with some of the ways the state hopes to safely move forward. Anita.
That's right, Kim. Today, a question on many people's minds is when will businesses be able to reopen? Well, Governor Gina Raimondo addressing that today, saying they are developing a plan to open the state's economy again, but in phases. On a cold and snowy Sunday afternoon,
I called Mother Nature and told her to knock it off and send us some warm, sunny weather.
Governor Gina Raimondo started her daily briefing with some good news. Rhode Island received half of the $1.2 billion of federal stimulus money that will go toward the state's effort to combat the coronavirus.
Yesterday, half of that, $625 million, landed in the state's bank account.
As for the economy, Raimondo says a plan to reopen industry by industry is in the works. She says their approach will be inclusive.
It's not just about reopening our big companies and our biggest manufacturers, although we want to do that. It's about being very attentive to the needs of our smallest businesses as well.
Today, an executive order requiring employees at businesses to wear masks goes into effect. Retail stores are also encouraged to remind customers to wear face coverings. There are, though, two exceptions.
For anyone whose health would be in jeopardy because of wearing the face covering, or children under 2 years old.
Raimondo says customers can't be turned away for not wearing a mask. The Department of Health says even while wearing a face covering, social distancing is a must.
Wearing any kind of covering over your nose and mouth does not make you invincible to the coronavirus. We must continue to do both.
Raimondo announced a fund available for artists, providing up to $1,000 to help them get through this crisis. So far, $126,000 has been dispersed to help about 250 artists throughout the state. For Rhode Islanders looking to start their gardens, Raimondo says they will get their chance soon enough.
By Monday, we'll be issuing guidelines that will enable garden centers in Rhode Island to open by April 27th. But with restrictions designed to keep everybody safe.
The governor also ordering big box stores to close their outdoor gardens to shoppers until April 27th and restrict sales to pickup, delivery, and appointment only. Now, coming up tonight at 10 and 11, hear from a local business who is pleased with the governor's decision to allow independent garden centers to open. Live in Providence, I'm Anita Buffoni, Eyewitness News.